Hello and welcome. Today I am going to start Microsoft Excel. It is an introductory video. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program which used to store data, powerful visualization and analysis tool. Now, how we can open an Excel application? There are various ways to open an Excel application. I am going to show two of them. Process 1. Type Excel on the search bar. You can see Excel 2013. I have Microsoft Excel 2013 version. You may have different version, but almost all functions are same for other versions as well. Click on Excel 2013 to open it. Okay, let's check the second process. Click on the Start menu. You will get the full list of installed programs in Windows. If I come down, I can see a folder Microsoft Office 2013. Within the folder, we can see Excel 2013. If you click on Excel 2013, you will see a screen like this one for version Excel 2010 and onward. On the left hand side of the screen, check out the green background part. You find recently opened files. Click on the file name, which one you want to open. If you want to open any other existing file which one is not present in the list, open from here and select from your computer where you saved it. Then click on Open button in the dialog box. Now, if I concentrate on the right hand side, white background part, I can see Microsoft Excel offering various existing templates. I can select a template as per my requirement. Many more templates are available online. For online templates, search here. Now I am going to select a blank template. Click on Home to return to the home screen. Then click on Blank Sheet. This is the blank screen. Let me try to explain various things available on the screen. At the top of the screen, you can see a quick action toolbar. Just below the quick action toolbar, various tabs are available. Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, etc. Inside every tab, various options are available. The place where all these various options are available for a tab is called ribbon. On the right hand side, if I click on this icon, the ribbon gets hidden. If we double click on the tab, the ribbon comes back. Each ribbon is divided up into groups. Some of groups has launch button. If you click on launch button, you get more options. Spreadsheets are made up of columns and rows. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. This is a cell. This is name box. It shows the current cell name where cursor is present. We need to select the cell first to write in it. Now I am going to write something in the cell paragraph 1 and press enter. You can see the text is not fitting in the column. We need a wider column. To make a column more wider, I am going to put the mouse between two column letters right on the line. You notice that my mouse cursor is changed. It changed into a double-sided arrow. So now I can click and drag to make it more wider. Now I want to change the text from paragraph 1 to paragraph 2. Let me now select the cell and try to edit the text. Existing text has disappeared. So we cannot select a cell and type to edit a cell content. We need to double click on the cell. You can see the cursor in the cell. Now use the left and right arrow on your keyboard to reach the exact position and select the part you would like to edit and enter a new one, or remove the desired characters and enter new text. If you click on any row heading, the entire row gets selected. If you click on any column heading, the entire column gets selected. This is formula bar. When you write a formula in a cell, you get the answer and you can see the entire formula here. This is the workbook name. That is the name of the Excel file. Three buttons are present over here. One is minimize, one is maximize, and one is to close the program. If you come down at the bottom of the screen, you will notice sheet 1. Every workbook contains at least one worksheet. I will discuss in detail about worksheet in future. You can see two scroll bars. One is vertical and another is horizontal. This is zoom bar. You can easily zoom in or out worksheet by using this zoom bar. For save the file, click on file. If it is existing one, just click on save. If you are going to save first time, then click on save as. Select the location where you want to save the file. Enter your file name here that you would like to give. I am keeping the same file name, book 1. Various file formats are available to save the file. Excel workbook, XML data, web page, PDF, etc. I am going to save as Excel workbook. Then press save. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, log on to www tubelessons.net.